Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to purchase Candy Crush boosters. First, open the Candy Crush application on your device, ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Next, you need to locate the in-game store, which is often visible on the main map screen or through a specific shopping cart icon. Finally, we will review selecting your desired boosters, completing the purchase, and understanding how to use them to clear those challenging levels. This guide ensures a smooth and straightforward process for everyone. Once you are in the Candy Crush game, finding the booster shop is simple. Look for a small shopping cart icon, usually located in the top right or bottom left corner of your screen. Sometimes, clicking on the plus symbol next to your current number of lollipops or other boosters will also take you directly there. This shop is your gateway to a wide array of power-ups designed to help you conquer difficult levels with ease. Inside the shop, you will see a variety of boosters ready for purchase. These include helpful items like the striped candy, the wrapped candy, color bombs, and the powerful lollipop hammer. Each item clearly describes what it does, helping you make informed choices. You can often choose between buying a single booster or selecting a larger, more economical pack to save your in-game currency. Consider what will be most useful for your current game progress. After you have chosen your desired boosters, simply tap the Buy or Purchase button. The game will then guide you through the payment process, usually utilizing your linked App Store or Google Play account. Always review the total amount and the items in your cart one final time before confirming. Once the transaction is complete, your newly acquired boosters will instantly appear in your in-game inventory, ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.